Hello everyone. I just followed exactly what was from the textbook. Um, Followed the steps. So I inserted a column between drinks and tip left, named it subtotal, and in order to get the subtotal, I did equal sum. Or you can also go home and you can go here and do sum. So that's how I got the sum. Then I waited for the fill handle. I double clicked and I received, and then I got all the subtotals for food, drink. In addition, I had to calculate the bartender assistant and my net tips. Again, these are basic math formulas. Well, I wouldn't say basic, but they're just math formulas that you have to use in order to get those percentages. In order to see exactly what I did, I go to show formulas, and it shows exactly how I got the tip amounts and how I did the subtotals. So it just shows all of my workings, which I think is very, very, very interesting. I'm gonna just change that, get smaller. Okay, and then I also apply like the currency format for the monetary value, so that's why it has the dollar signs here and the dollar signs here. I added borders here. Oh, in order to do that, I went to currency. Went up here, went to currency, right? And then I had to make these percentages. And so in order to do that, I did percentage, right? So you can see some things here, percentage style. For tip rates, customer subtotal and tip amounts. These are the topics I did merge and center, wrap text, centered, and um, aligned. Okay. I also then did the page layout of landscape, change the margin, custom margin 0.2 left, 0.2 right. In addition, I did header and footer, which is page setup, header, footer, and I wrote my name, tip formulas, and the worksheet. So what I learned is pretty much a lot because I'm a beginner at Excel, to be honest. So I learned everything that I'm saying. I learned just kind of a while ago, doing the formulas and just understanding how to use Excel. It's been pretty interesting. I've learned a lot, and I'm excited to learn more about it. Thank you.